Dear all, greetings of the day. This video is with respect to downloading research paper using NMIT consortium through NMIT account that provides free remote access to download research paper. You need to go to nmit.mapmyaccess.com. Then you need to click on user login. Here you can click on the Google icon, which will divert you to login through Google account. Here you can enter your NMIT login detail and login. Once you log in, it will be diverted to the NMIT digital resources. There it will provide you the access to the subscribed journals and various ebooks. Here we are doing this to download the paper, so we will be going to the consortium subscribed journals. So you need to click here and you will be getting access to various journals, peer reviewed journals like Elsewhere, Springer, Taylor and Francis, IEEE, Emerald and Emerald Business and ProQuest. So any one of the journal we can select. Suppose I'll be selecting Taylor and Francis group. Now here we can search any paper by entering the detail as mentioned in the search tab like keywords, author, DOI, OCID, etc. Since I am a new user, I would like to prefer keywords. So I will add some keywords of my research area. Suppose my research area is conjunctive use of surface and groundwater. So I'll be typing that conjunctive use of surface water and ground water. After that, I need to click on the search tab and you will see it will be diverted toward various research articles related to the keywords I have entered, like drivers of groundwater use and technical efficiency of groundwater canal water and conjunctive use in Pakistan's Indus Basin irrigation system. Similarly, development of priority based policies in the other paper and n numbers of papers similar to that it will show. Now, based on what I am interested, I can select any of the papers. Suppose I am little bit interested to this paper, which is application of genetic algorithm and artificial neural network in conjunctive use of surface and groundwater resources. So I'll click on this paper. After clicking the paper will come. Now this paper I want to download so that I can read it as and when available to me. So I will go to view PDF. Now here the PDF is not able to open for this paper, but no problem. We can directly download. Sometime PDF is available to see here and then also we can download, or it is giving us the option to directly download. So I'll click on the download and I can save wherever I want to save this paper. So I have saved the paper in one of the folder I had already created and you can see here my paper is already downloaded here. So whenever I want, I can open this paper and I can see the entire paper. Now one more important thing what is required is to acknowledge this paper. Since I am reading this paper and I'll be using the content of this paper or the concept of this paper in my research project, it is my prime responsibility to acknowledge this, that we do through citations. So here you can see in all the papers there will be an option to download citation. So we need to click on download citations. After clicking here, if you go little down, here it will be given the detail of the paper. The details of the paper is Mohammad Karimos, Mohammad M. Razapor Tabari, and Reza Kerachen. So this is the authors. These are the three authors of the paper. The paper is published in 2007. And the title of the paper is Application of Genetic Algorithms and Artificial Neural Network in Conjunctive Use of the Surface and Groundwater Resources. The journal in which the paper is published is Water International. The volume is 32:1. The page number where the paper is available in the journal is 163 to 176. The DOI, that is the Digital Object Identifier number, is given here. This DOI is a unique number which is given to all the paper published in the online mode. So these are the detail which is available with reference to this paper. Now what I need to do is I'll just copy paste this detail. So I need to copy this and I should make one repository in either Word file or Notepad of all the paper I'll download. And whenever at the end of my project work, I should use this citation to acknowledge the author of this paper. Likewise, we need to download 25 paper and 25 respective citations, and we need to address to our project work. With respect to literature review, for each paper we need to make the summary of the paper. In that, what we need to do is, a summary is a paragraph of the paper. So in that paragraph of the entire full length paper, so what the paragraph should contain, the first few lines should be the introduction, then it should highlight what is the objective, means why that work has been done, or what is the area of study, or the material used, or the type of analysis they have used. The second part should contain that what are the steps they had followed to conduct that research, or what we call it as methodology. At the end, few lines should be the conclusion, like what are the final outcomes of the research carried by the particular author. So in a summary of each paper, each paragraph should contain objective few lines, methodology few lines, and the conclusions few line. So if you're downloading 25 papers, you should have 25 paragraphs, and each paragraph should have the summary of each paper, and at the end you should have 25 like this citation of each paper, right? Thank you.